Today we are going to do some light bulb installs. We're going to take out all of the stock light bulbs and put in some Auxito LED light bulbs. Kind of show you how easy it is to do this and how you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. Alright, we're going to change out the front turn signal with this Auxito LED light. This is an amber colored light. And it should be a nice, easy plug-and-play situation. So we'll get that up out of the way. And then right on the inside here, put your hand down in between here, and there's a little nubbin that sticks out. You turn it toward the driver's side. Once you turn it toward the driver's side, it'll pop right out. And there it is. There's the amber light. All right, stock one's out. Now the hard part. Such a tight space, it's kind of hard to get in there. It might have been easier just to remove the battery. I may have to do that here in a second. I can't get my hand down in there. Yep, I'm gonna have to remove the battery. It should give us just enough room to get in there. Much better. I'm just gonna slide it in to the socket here. All right, now that we've got it all plugged into the socket, we will put it back into the housing. This, you just got to line up, sits in there, and then you just twist it, and it locks in. Once you've got this back in, don't forget to reinstall your battery bracket, so that way everything's secured for when you get back on the road. All right, so now we're moving on to the rear lights. So first thing, you take out these two bolts here. Alrighty. Once we get these two bolts out, now it's held in by two pins that go into like a rubber grommet. So at this point, you have to put a little force on it to get it to pull out. And don't worry, it'll kind of pop. As you can see, there we go. Those little guys, they go right into the rubber right there. All right, so now we've got the light removed, and nice and easy part here. So first we're gonna just twist it. It pops right out, nice and easy. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull the bulb out. It's a nice plug and play style bulb. Grab the Auxito LED reverse light and just put it right in. There we go. And then slide it back into the housing. And lock it in place. Now we're going to move on to the brake light. Same thing, you just turn it, pops out, wiggle it loose, and then we'll put in the rear Auxito brake light. And this just slides into the same. Place it, turn it to lock it back in place. Good. Make sure our wires are where they need to be. Line up the two pins. Push it in. And then we'll add in back in the two bolts. With these bolts, something to be aware of is you do not want to over tighten these. These are it's just a plastic nut in there. So once you feel some resistance, that means it's tight enough. There we go. Here you can see the difference between the stock and the LED light bulb.